How to fix Subway app won't let me pay. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the Subway app not working and not letting you pay. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store, then search for Subway application. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button highlighted in blue color instead of open button over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now, what you have to do is simply go to your system settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, you can again scroll down and search for Subway application, or you can also use the search bar at the top, type in Subway, and once you find the application, tap on it and then scroll down and go to storage. Then from here, click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all your files, system settings, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Now come back. Also try stopping this application and enable it again. You can also go to the permission section and give all the permission to the app, including the location, notifications, phone, whatever is available. Try setting this app as default. Last but not least, you can also try uninstalling this application from your device. Click on uninstall, or you can just simply tap and hold the application first and then tap on uninstall. After you do that, go back to Play Store, search for Subway application again, tap on install, and install the application on your device. Restart your entire system. So these are the ways you can fix the Subway app payment issues. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.